was getting a lot of requests about halal snacks that people can buy. So what my trick is, if I want to be 100% confident, to buy all of your snacks from a halal supermarket. That way they're halal certified and they don't have anything that makes it haram. And these ones, usually from other supermarkets, they're haram. They're they're gummy bears. And this one is halal certified, as you can see. As you can see right here, it is halal certified and they are safe. And also this one is another favorite snack that I have from supermarket. And these are this is a salty snack. This one, some chocolate chip cookies. And this one, scoopers are also really good when you want to have with coffee, chai, or anything. So these are some halal snacks that I buy and usually are my favorite.